Motorcycle yard stage 1 map. Total 4 point. Blue number 1, orange number 2, yellow number 3 and green number 4. Ignition on, ignition off, and you can see neutral on the meter. Start engine. And this is all about functioning, which is passing lights, headlight on, high beam, low beam, all about. Left indicator, right indicator, in the middle off, and horn. Fuel down on, fuel in the middle off, fuel up in reserve position. Gear 1 down, neutral, and then second gear, third gear, fourth gear, 5th gear up. Stage 1, point 1, starting position, head check left and head check right. 1, starting position, middle of both cone in first gear. Head check left first and head check right. You can see in the guy, he's doing first left check, head check, and then right head check. Start in first gear, accelerate more, then second gear, turn left, no clutch, no brake, turn left, no clutch, no brake, both sides mirror check, left indicator, left head check, no clutch, no brake, indicator off, first gear, and stop in the yellow box. Turn left in yellow lines, no clutch, no brake. Okay, so the yellow box, first gear, stop in yellow, in middle of yellow box. Okay, slow riding. Gear, first gear, okay, minimum 10 second, 5 or 6 speed. So you can see the yellow lines, middle of yellow line should be minimum 10 second. If you make 9 second, it will be failed. So head check left and head check right, and then you can start in first gear, half clutch, and your knee close to the tank, and look only front. So head check left, head check right, starting position. This is number 2. 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013. It is 13 seconds. RPM 3000 RPM, half clutch always when slow riding. 9 second fail. If you touch the line, fail. If your foot on ground or floor, it's fail. Turn left in yellow lines, no clutch, no brake, middle of yellow line. Okay, number 3, left head check, right head check, accelerate, second gear, change second gear, turn right, no clutch, no brake, turn right again, no clutch, no brake, both sides mirror check, right indicator and right head check, middle of yellow line, indicator off, put first gear, second gear, turn, continue, stop. So this is emergency number 4, accelerate, second gear, and then stop. Once again, left head check, right head check, accelerate first gear, second gear, 20-25 speed, and then emergency brake, stop before number 5 in second gear. Then keep your right leg down, put first gear, then head check, go. After 5, 2 points, and after 6, immediate fail. This is stage 1 ending position.